Hello everyone. Today we would like to introduce the TT990 and provide an overview of the applications that are compatible with the device, along with some alternative applications that can be used. The TT990 is a de-Google device designed with simplicity, privacy, and essential functionality in mind. Compatible applications. The TT990 supports a range of popular everyday applications, including WhatsApp for messaging and communication, Spotify for music streaming, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat. These applications have been tested to ensure they run effectively on the device. For your reference, we have included a sample video demonstrating the application overview performance of these applications on the TT990. WhatsApp for messaging and communication. Spotify for music streaming. Instagram.
Hi there, today we're taking a look at the TTfone TT990.
TikTok. Facebook. Alternative applications. As the TT990 is a de-Google device, some standard Google applications are not available. However, we offer trusted alternatives that provide similar functionality, including NewPipe as an alternative to YouTube, K9 Mail as an alternative email application, Yandex Navigation as an alternative to Google Maps. These applications have been selected to support the device's privacy-focused approach while maintaining a familiar user experience. The alternative application for YouTube is NewPipe. You can download it from their official website at www.newpipe.net/download. This application works similarly to YouTube and allows you to watch videos in a similar way. For K9 Mail and Yandex, you can download both applications via the Aurora Store app on your device. Once the device has been set up, the pre-installed applications include Messages, Phone, Contacts, Gallery, Clock, Camera, Calculator, Calendar, Files, Browser, SOS Shortcut, Aurora Store, Settings, and Apps. There is also a shortcut icon available for downloading WhatsApp via the Aurora Store. Non-compatible applications. Due to the TT990's software architecture and the absence of Google Play services, some applications may not be compatible with the device. This includes certain Google applications and other apps that rely on Google Play services to function correctly. If there are any applications you would like us to test, please feel free to contact us or leave a comment. Your feedback helps us improve future software updates and devices. Thank you for watching.